running like garbage.
Oh.
Shotgun. All right, Mike. What have you learned about Chrysler keys?
Apparently, they only go in one way, and it's upside down or right side up. It depends.
Well, it's right side up if you're a Mopar guy.
All right, I am.
Ooh, look at this guy. All right,
You'll have to make it quick. I don't know how long this engine will hold out.
Got my brake booster. All right. Apparently, the shifter indicator does not work.
I'll try you don't back over anything. All right, let's go. Oh, my door's open.
Okay.
Nice.
I think I'm in D. Oh.
Oh, power steering squirrel. You're all right. Just cut through this. Just cut through.
What is it?
Cut through the ditch. Yeah, you're good. Doing good.
That's like a dream. It's so floaty. It's like a Cadillac, guys. A Mopar Cadillac. Hear that burble? That's Mike's truck. Which way we go?
Left turn.
Oh my gosh. Hopefully nobody's behind us. Should we let this guy pass first?
Oh, just go all the way down past the curve.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. I wonder, do we have any white smoke coming out the tailpipe?
I think it's all coming inside the cabin right now. Ooh, man.
Control the mosquito population.
Get a little dizzy in here.
I wouldn't say roll the window down, but
yeah. We got power windows, but they're unpowered. Oh my goodness. They can cut out.
oh, yeah. They're running like garbage.
Oh, okay. I don't know if this is gonna do a burnout, bro.
Well, let's see.
Alright, we might have to be walking back home, bro.
We may be. Alright, just come up here in the shade. You will be just fine.
Alright, hopefully nobody smokes us in the back.
Wait, I gotta get outside for this. I wanna see the results here.
The results of an engine blowing up.
Either way, it's good. All right, Mike. Oh, that's disappointing. All right, pump it. You can do it. Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Okay.
You'll be all right. Give it another shot. I don't think you're holding your mouth right. Alright, let's change.
Change out, yeah. Let's see the master can do it over here. Whew, it's getting hot in there.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry, guys. I'm still a Mopar guy in training. Oh, crap. I think he hit me with something. You slung rocks at me. Oh. So weak, guys. Sorry. We're going to fix that issue, though. It sounds pretty good, but...
Is it a cherry bomb or something over here? What type of muffler does it have? Oh, it has no muffler. It has just a catalytic converter, no muffler.
What?
Yeah, someone put in a straight pipe.
Ah, that's why it sounds so good. Ooh.
Smoke rolling through the cab.
Yeah, it's definitely smoking in there.
It wasn't me. Yeah, up the hood maybe.
Ooh, stinks. Yeah, it doesn't smell like fuel burning. Oh, it's like that scene from Fast and Furious.
I think you blew the welds on the intake manifold.
Here's another Mopar friend. Hey. Well, I guess he didn't want to help us.
Oh yeah. I think it's just the old dripping oil burning off the manifolds.
Definitely looks like that.
It probably has sat for a while. Oh, the battery fell. That's nice. Should have secured that better.
Hey, you did get the tire suspense on.
I did.
Yeah.
Ah, shocking.
All right.
All right.
Let's hope we get back.
Oh, we got it.
That ram normally shakes like that?
What's that?
That ram normally shakes like that?
No, it's loose.
Okay. It's kind of cool. It kind of, when you're going fast enough, it makes it look like it's like rambling to hit something, to ram something.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, it was too much smoke inside. Yeah. Hey, anybody want to buy this thing for $2,000? We're selling it.
Thank you. Hell of a deal on this baby.
Tell it, Bob.
That sucked. Oh my god, that sucked.
I think it was like the transmission.
Huh?
Is it like the transmission slipping or something? Or is this...
There's no power.
We got no power. No power. Holy shit. Like, you can't go like 100 miles an hour out here like this.
What? It's just the backwoods. No one cares. If we get T-bone, it'll be your side.
We don't need a new transmission soon.
Probably. Check this out, guys.
Oh shit! Turbulence! Wait, you said there's a fix for that, right? Like, there might be some screws missing, loose or something like that?
There are some, there are 3 screws that go in the tilt assembly, and they just need to be tightened up with some Loctite placed on them.
Nice.
What happens if we sling a rod?
I don't think I want to know.
So I'm assuming this thing has 131,000 miles on it? I don't know.
No one knows, because that thing stopped working. Yeah.
No, it's working.
Is it?
It's spinning.
Oh. So just the speedometer and everything else is broken?
I guess.
Okay.
It looks like the mileage is changing.
Okay.
So it's just the speedometer that's broke, which is interesting. I mean, as untouched as the engine compartment is, maybe 31,000? I don't know. But I'm going to bank on 131,000. I think that is a more fair assumption.
Yeah. Okay. So we couldn't get it to do a real burnout. Blake got it to spin a little bit. So I don't know. 318. Something's wrong with our 318. For you guys that say the 318 is a good motor that puts out a good amount of power, this is not it.
Not this one.
Yeah, I think it's just well, yeah. I don't know if it's just oil outside that's smoking.
I think it's oil off the manifolds.
A little oil mist.
I hear the coolant gurgling. Well, that was fun.
That was fun. Transmission held up, even though we kept going and braking, going and braking.
I do think the fluid is a little low.
Transmission fluid?
Yeah. So, yeah, there's that. But, I'm
Alright.
still pumped about it.
Alright, guys. It's time to get this old 318 out.
That's it. Hang out with us while we convert this to a much more fun ride.
Yep.
Hi, I'm Kayla. Thanks for watching.